Hi guys! Today we're making jambalaya, and this is an easy one-pot recipe. This is also my husband's all-time favorite dish, and it brings me back to when I used to make it for him when we were younger. It's made with shrimp, chicken, and sausage, simmered in the most flavorful, delicious rice. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of peeled shrimp, 8 ounces of chicken breast cut into small pieces, 8 ounces of sausage sliced, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 onion diced, 2 bell peppers sliced, 2.5 cups water, 16 ounces of canned tomato sauce, 1.5 cups of long grain rice, 1.5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, and 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Begin by seasoning shrimp and chicken with salt. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and sauté chicken. Cook for about 2 minutes. The chicken doesn't need to be cooked through at this point, it'll finish cooking with the rice. Remove and set aside. Add more oil and sauté sausage. Cook for about 2 minutes. Andouille, smoked sausages, or kielbasa will all work with this recipe. Remove and set aside. Add more oil and sauté onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Cook until vegetables have softened. This will take about 4 minutes. Stir in water and tomato sauce. Add the Cajun seasoning and chicken bouillon powder. This is going to give the dish so much flavor. Bring to a boil and add the long grain rice. Return chicken and sausage back to the pan. Lower heat to medium-low and let simmer until rice is nice and tender. This will take about 25 to 27 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally. When rice is tender, stir in the shrimp. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes until the shrimp is cooked through. If you want the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Now this is the true definition of comfort food. You got shrimp, chicken, sausage, and rice all cooked in one pot. And that Cajun seasoning just gives this dish a burst of flavor. See how incredibly delicious this looks? Gosh, I wish you guys can taste it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. Hit that red subscribe button. Feel free to check out my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.